Is knowing net worth significant? How do you calculate net worth? We have our industry expert Mr. Manish with us. Manish, could you please explain why net worth is so important for us?
This is extremely important for all of us to understand. This is a concept which is normally, and it's a very simple concept, but it is a concept which is normally taken for granted. At any point of time, it's extremely important when you have to start your wealth creation journey as a company which day in, day out looks at their assets, looks at their liabilities. Whether you're talking about banks or any of the companies, they keep a very close watch on what's their net worth is. Similarly, for every individual, it's extremely important that you need to have a understanding that what all assets you have. So assets can be anything. You can put it everything put together. Let's say it's mutual funds, whether it's fixed deposits, whether it's gold, silver, your real estate property, everything you can put together. Should keep an idea that what's your assets, and then you should reduce it by liabilities. Liabilities can be anything. Your monthly expenses which you have to pay to, let's say, your maid, your cook, driver. Maybe in the next 2-3 months you have a children's education which is coming in, or children's marriage. So keep a track of liabilities and then create a net worth of yours. And this is a very good exercise. Why? Because let's say if you have assets which are less and your liabilities are on the higher side, then you can understand as a company where the net worth of a company goes down and that company's valuations goes down and that company corrects, or that company's stock prices falls. Similarly, for an individual also, if your liabilities are on the bigger side and assets are smaller, then you are going for a situation where you might have tough time managing things. So that's why it's a good barometer for you to always keep in mind that you're building up your assets, you're kind of trying to reduce your liabilities, and in short, you are increasing your net worth. So keep a track of this. This is first basic. We believe you should start while you're planning for wealth journey. So you just want to know that what is your starting point.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.